You love your late night parties, but what happens the next morning is a complete nightmare. Dull, dry skin, chapped lips, and those bags under the eyes ends up making you look like a zombie, straight out of The Walking Dead. So, here are 5 tips to revive your skin from this nightmare. But first, coffee. The caffeine in your coffee won't just help wake you up, but it'll also help reduce the dark shadows and puffy under eyes. This hack is the only caffeine addiction you need to get through the day, so that you're more espresso and less depresso. After that much needed coffee break, it's time to get some nutrients in your system. Bananas are the perfect breakfast food, very filling and full of nutrients. What if I tell you this is going to help with those chapped AF lips? A delicious way to treat your lips, this hack is totally bananas. Go from ashy to glossy. You know, your skin doesn't need to be as dry as your love life. Add a vitamin D capsule to your favorite moisturizer and everything just gets magically better. Great job! This combo moisturizes, revitalizes, and supercharges your pore skin. Once your skin is nice and moisturized, it's time to take things up a notch. It's finally time to touch yourself appropriately. From now on, while you're living your best life, you won't have to worry about looking like a zombie. Simply follow these tips and you'll be set for the day. It's like last night never happened. We hope you like this video and try out some of these tips for yourself. So go ahead and party hard, make those memories and tag us on Instagram. I'll see you soon, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.